Hi and welcome back to Over the Hill with Bill. My review today will be the Halfords Essential 4-in-1 Jump Starter. Now, how has this been for me? I've had this around about 1 year, and to be honest with you, it's absolutely perfect. It has done everything that I've wanted it to do. The battery lasts a long time, the charge in it. It's very easy to charge and you can keep it on charge for maintaining the battery. Just press the battery test there and it'll let you know what the battery status is. There's a light switch here, so if you get caught somewhere in the dark where you need a little bit of a light, at least you've got a light. There's a USB connection there, 2.4 amps and a 12-volt output should you have one of those cigarette lighter type outputs. Straightforward, you make the connection with the positive and the negative, switch it on and start the vehicle up. It'll let you know if the clamps are reversed. Yeah, it absolutely does what it's supposed to do, and all I can say about this one is, yeah, if you're looking for a jump starter, this one will do the business. So thumbs up on this one here, and thanks for watching.